never been so insulted.
Prince Ahmed, you're not leaving so soon, are you?
Good luck marrying her off.
Jasmine. Jasmine! 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 Oh, confound it, Raja! So, this is why Prince Ahmed stormed out.
Oh, Father. Raja was just playing with him. Weren't you, Raja? You were just playing with that overdressed, self-absorbed Prince Ahmed, weren't you?
Dearest, you've got to stop rejecting every suitor who comes to call. The law says you must be married to a prince by your next birthday.
The law is wrong.
You've only got 3 more days.
Father, I hate being forced into this. If I do marry, I want it to be for love.
Jasmine, it's not only this law. I'm not going to be around forever, and, well, I just want to make sure you're taken care of, provided for.
Please try to understand. I've never done a thing on my own. I've never had any real friends. Except you, Raja. I've never even been outside the palace walls.
But, Jasmine, you're a princess.
Then maybe I don't want to be a princess anymore.
Oh, Allah forbid you should have any daughters. I don't know where she gets it from. Her mother wasn't nearly so picky. Jafar, my most trusted advisor. I am in desperate need of your wisdom.
My life is but to serve you, my lord.
It's this suitor business. Jasmine refuses to choose a husband. I'm at my wit's end.
Wit's end?
Oh. Have a cracker, pretty Polly. Pretty Polly.
Your Majesty certainly has a way with dumb animals. Now then, perhaps I can divine a solution to this thorny problem.
If anyone can help, it's you.
But it would require the use of a mystic blue diamond.
Oh, my ring? But it's been in the family for years.
It is necessary to find the princess a suitor. Don't worry. Everything will be fine.
Everything will be fine.
The diamond?
Here, Jafar. Whatever you need will be fine.
You are most gracious, my liege. Now, run along and play with your little toys, hmm?
Yeah. That will be pretty good.
I can't take it anymore! If I gotta choke down on one more of those moldy, disgusting crackers! Bam! Whack!
Calm yourself,
And
young
a
girl.
rammer on the head. Whack!
Soon
Whack!
I will be Sultan, not that addle-pated twit.
And then I stuff the crackers down his throat!
Oh, I'm sorry, Raja. But I can't stay here and have my life lived for me. I'll miss you. Oh, goodbye.
Okay, go. Try this. Your taste buds will dance and sing. Hey, get your paws off. Why, you... Get away from here, you cursed, filthy ape!
Nice going, Abu. Breakfast is served.
Pretty lady, buy a pot. No finer pot in brass or silver.
Sugar dates and figs, sugar dates and pistachios.
Would the lady like a necklace? A pretty necklace for a pretty lady.
Fresh fish! We catch 'em, you buy 'em!
No, I don't think so. Oh, excuse me. I'm really very sorry. Oh, you must be hungry. Here you go.
You'd better be able to pay for that.
Hey?
No one steals from my cart.
Oh, I'm sorry, sir. I don't have any money.
Thief!
Oh, please. If you let me go to the palace, I can get some from the Sultan.
Do you know what the penalty is for stealing?
No, please.
Oh, thank you, kind sir. I'm so glad you found her. I've been looking all over for you.
What are you doing?
Just play along.
You, know this girl?
Sadly, yes. She is my sister. She's a little crazy.
She said she knew the Sultan.
She thinks the monkey is the Sultan.
Oh, wise Sultan, how may I serve you?
Tragic, isn't it? But no harm done. Now come along, sis. Time to go see the doctor.
Oh, hello, Doctor. How are you?
No, not that one. Come on, Sultan.
Come back here, you little thieves!